Hey guys, this is Nathan Clevish and I'm a territory sales rep with Mobile Track Solutions, and today I'm going to be showing you all the fluids on our 3630T track tractor. Alright guys, first we're going to check the engine oil. The dipstick is located on the left side of the engine. Simply pull it out, make sure it's in between the full and add on the dipstick. You're good to go. Next we will be checking the hydraulic oil on the tractor. There's a sight glass on the side of the hydraulic oil reservoir. You just need to make sure that the oil level is between the two black marks on the sight glass. Next, we're going to check the coolant level of the tractor. There is a sight glass on the top of the radiator coolant that you can look through to see if the coolant level is full. Next, we will be checking the tractor's transmission fluid level. This is visible from the articulation point. It is located on the right side of the tractor. Transmission fluid level needs to be between the two red lines when the tractor is running. Next, we will be checking the rear differential level. The rear differential sight glass is visible through the articulation joint of the tractor looking to the rear. The level of the differential oil should be halfway up the sight glass. Next, we will be checking the front differential oil level. This is visible if you crawl under the tractor and look at the front axle. The oil level should be halfway up the sight glass.